Hello viewer, we will make the designs and choose the shapes here. Again we will make a structure using the paints. I will try to make a shape. It's different tools here. I will use the razor tool. Here we can make the changes.